All right, let's talk about the era that basically forged modern America in fire and steel.
Think about that. This one question drove millions and ended up reshaping the entire United States.
So what caused it? A perfect storm of natural resources, new tech, and people flocking to cities.
They came looking for jobs, but also a shot at a better life. A fresh start. Okay, so one way to get huge, control everything from the raw materials to the final product.
And the other way? Just buy up all your competition. No more rivals, right?
And these guys, the so-called robber barons, they basically built empires by mastering these strategies.
But all this growth, especially without any rules, came at a massive human cost.
Life for the working poor was brutal. Think books like The Jungle. It was that bad.
And get this, reformers like Florence Kelley had to point out the shocking reality of child labor.
We're talking 2 million kids. 2 million, often in the most dangerous jobs imaginable.
With everyone competing for jobs, you get a rise in nativism, basically hostility towards immigrants.
This wasn't just talk. It led to actual laws, specifically targeting and banning Chinese immigrants.
So what do you do when things are this bad? You organize. Workers started forming labor unions. But not all unions were the same. Some wanted huge societal change. Others just focused on paychecks.
And helping expose all this, investigative journalists called muckrakers. They showed everyone the ugly truth.
You had people like Ida Tarbell, who took on the giants, exposing the ruthless tactics of Standard Oil.
All this exposure created a public outcry, which kicked off the Progressive Era, a huge push for reform.
And this era was really a battle of ideas, survival of the fittest versus helping those in need.
So progressives went after some big targets. They fought for change on a ton of different fronts. And they had incredible leaders, fighting for everything from the right to vote to saving our forests.
Ultimately, this whole era was a massive reaction to the problems of the Industrial Revolution.
And the core question they asked is the same one we're still debating right now, today.